Hey guys, so today I am back with another video, but in a different background and in a different room. I'm in my mom's room at the other house, and I received a squishy packet from my Instagram seller, Destiny 3500, and this is where my address is that I won't show you. Yeah. And I'll open it. Yeah, let's just get started. I'll just use scissors. I waited for 1 week for this. Oh, it's in this box. So just insert the box. So this is a box. It's so messy. It's like with yellow paint. Yeah, but you guys get the first look. I'll reach. Maybe there'll be a note. Oh, it says invoice. Note. So let's read the note. It says, "Thank you for purchasing from Destiny 3500. No refund." Okay. I don't know why she put no refund, but let's go to the invoice. Oh, it says items. I'll just read it to you very quick. My first item is Album Hello Kitty head for $25. Jumbo Panda Bun $8. Sun Queenland tooth that's color pink because I already have the blue. It's $10. Unicorn Hugging the Moon, the jumbo one in color yellow, that's $22. Waffle, the small waffle, that's the small, it's $5. Then Rilakuma wearing a bunny costume, $2. Total $72. So here she added. Yeah, thank you. So yeah, you get again the second. Wow. Okay, the first one I picked is extras. Okay, I see squishies. So the first extra is this sliced bread squishy. It's in this tiny plastic. So cute. Okay, next extra. Oh, is this mochi squishy cat toy? And next is this. I think it's a donut. I don't know. With this face. Very nice. Thank you for these 3 squishies as extra. Ooh, there's candies. So I'm gonna try these candies in the end of the video. Now let's go to the real squishy. So guys, the first squishy I pulled out was this waffle. And the picture did show like this, but there's like jumbo, medium, and small, and I got the small. Yeah, let's give it squish. She said it will come in packaging, like on its original packaging. And just defects. She said there will be no defects. And like sprinkles are going out. Look. Sorry about the lighting. And she said that will be socializing. But yeah, let's go to the next squishy. I think this So I got the next squishy is this, the unicorn hugging the moon. I think this is an extra. it just didn't fit in the bag. Because I did order like this, but the jumbo. Here you go. Here. It's item number 4. Unicorn Hugging the Moon Jumbo. And it's the moon is color yellow. It's $22. So I don't know if this is my unicorn hugging the moon, but it does look like in the picture. So I think she got this one. So I have to contact her and talk about this. So yeah, I'll just take it out of packaging. So here it's soft, but it's not jumbo. Because in the picture it was like this. It was like I don't know how to describe it, but it's like this big. It's like round. Yeah, it's like that big, but you give me this small. So I'll just squeeze it. It's kind of rising, but I did order the yellow. But I'm so excited for that Hello Kitty, the I Bloom Hello Kitty head. So yeah, I'll contact her. Okay, the next squishy is my jumbo panda bear. So the packaging is like has a hole in it, but yeah. So here's the squishy. She did got this right, but she said it would be slow rising. So I also contact her about this, but I did order the one with the ribbon and the one the tongue sticking out, and it has defects. Like if you could see, I could see it here. But I'm still thankful though. But she did mess up my order. So I'm gonna contact her about that. Because my parents might be angry. Because I did wasted all my money, $72. Okay, the next. So I got my Sanqueelan tooth. It's supposed to be the pink, not the blue. I'm kind of confused now. Did I get scammed? But here, she said it will come in the packaging. Maybe it's just like in the box. Okay, let's just take it out. I'm so confused. She said it would be in the... I ordered the pink. She said she has 10 stocks of those pink one and 10 stocks of this also. So here is the yellow ball cane. So here. I did order this, but she said it will come in packaging. So let me check if they have. Oh, here's the package. She said it could be new, the package, but it's very wrinkled. But yeah. I'll put it in the packaging. Be back. So here it is in packaging, but this thing won't like close. It won't stick. It will open. So here. So this won't stick. I'll just put tape when I'm done with this video. So it says, Sanqueelan, do not eat, warning. I love tea. So confused. Okay, let's head to my last squishy that I'm very excited. Okay, I'll get. I Bloom Hello Kitty head. It's not a I Bloom. It's a bath sponge. So she gave me a bath sponge instead of my I Bloom Hello Kitty squishy for $25. You could just get this like for $1 or 59 cents. Wait, I remember they sell like this here in the Philippines. And in the Philippines it just cost for 150 pesos. So I could get this here a lot and not. I get I Bloom. I'm confused. See? It says I Bloom Hello Kitty head, $25. And it just say bath sponge, not even I Bloom. This is even better. Better than this. The extras are even better than my original squishies. I got this scam. I got this scam for a lot of money. And I got this scam and this scam. But I didn't got this scam. I'm okay with this. I mean, I did also got this scam. So everything I ordered, I got scam. I need 5 minutes break. So guys, don't order again from Destiny 3500 because this is a spoof. If I did get you, please comment down below and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and press that bell to be notified and every time I post. And I did just bought this in Watson's. If you don't know what Watson's is, it's like a store. Yeah, I just bought this for $150. And yeah, this is my handwriting. If you're my best friend, you could just obviously know this is a spoof because some of these squishies are from my squishy collection. Some of them, this squishies. What's the other one? Yeah, but where did it go? Yeah, like this, my extra squishies are from the 30 pesos squishy Lazada, except for this mochi toy. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And also this wrapping, I wrapped it and it's so horrible, but it doesn't have my real address. I used a marker, but it's kind of clear. It's kind of clear, that's why I have to see, like there's writings there. I tried to use it with blue marker, but it didn't work. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And yeah. And comment down below if I did got you. That's what I just said earlier. And yeah, but I really wanted the pink one. Because I never had the pink, but maybe my uncle might give me. And also, I'm gonna try these candies. I mean, I just put it here on purpose. Okay, let's try. It's Fructose Chewy candy. It's so yummy, guys. I love it. So when you open the first, you have a second packaging. So